So what you can also do is give an information in one format and get it out in another format as you like. For example, if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, this page, you can see that I have some information about Gemini right here. Let me just go around and copy out this particular text right here and paste it out right here, just like this. And at the end, I'm going to go around and say, give me this information in 10 points right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then it takes that particular information that I've given it and then it converts it into points, as you can see right here, just like this. Now I can also go around and say, now give it to me in the form of let's say, for example, four small paragraphs right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and do that, now it gives it to me in the form of paragraphs right here. Instead of 4, it gave 2, but anyways, that's it. So now I'm going to go around and say, arrange these information in table format right here, just like this. Table format right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it goes out and gives that particular information in table format, as you can see right here. So you can see that you can get some information, give some information to Gemini, and then what happens is that it converts out the information to how you actually go around and ask it to give it. So that is how you can get information and get it out in other formats inside of Google Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.